Hey guys, welcome back. I know it has been a while since I have been here, but due to the heat and working and everything else, it has been crazy. But I hope everyone is doing okay today. I hope y'all are doing well. I don't remember if I did this little page on camera or not. I just glued that in as a pocket. And I think I'm going to put a tag in here. That's what I want to do. But I kind of wanted to go through, like, so I've got some envelopes here, some stuff that's already made that I wanted to kind of go through, like the different pages and whatnot, or different signatures, and kind of put stuff in. Got another tag here, pocket. One of the, is that a notebook? Nope, that's one of the over. Okay. These will be pockets. That's a pocket. I'm sorry. I don't know why she's barking. She's done this all day. Pikachu! That's enough. Okay, the side pockets. It's a notebook. That's another tag. Pika! That's a pocket. Paper clips. Another pocket. Okay, another tag. A journaling card. And 2 more tuck spots. Okay, notebook. So I've only got one of the over the page ones like that. I don't know. Alright, so I've got one of those in the front here, so I think I'm going to go over here to the second signature and maybe put one in the middle or on the side. Do I want to do that? No. Maybe on the inside. Here, I don't know if I can, hang on, let me see if I can move some of this stuff out of the way. I got stuff everywhere on my desk. Pika, that's enough! Sorry, my mom's outside, but she's being a bonehead. Not my mom, Pikachu. Still waiting to get the Jeep back. It hasn't quite been 2 weeks. It'll be 2 weeks on Friday. And I haven't heard back from them yet, so it may be a little bit longer before we get that back. Having problems with my mom's car today. They're, started yesterday. And I'm waiting for a tool to come in from Amazon, and so I can go out there and see if I can fix it. I got a short in the steering wheel that keeps, at least I'm pretty sure that's what's wrong with it. Keeps turning random lights on, and then the car doesn't want to drive properly. So, let's see. Do I want to put this one in here? Maybe we'll do the flat one, the plain one on that one. Okay, now the third signature. I think I want to put it closer to the back. Oh, I ripped my paper there. Well, we can put it right there, have it peeking out the bottom, and that covers that little paper problem there. Okay. Oh, my mushroom. There we go. It was a little flat there. Don't want to put. Yeah, I think I want to put my little moth there. Alright. So now let's go back to the beginning here. So I got 2 more tags. And then the one over the thing, the pocket there. So let me move a couple pages so we have enough writing room. You guys know that I like to leave writing space. Now, do I want to... I could just leave that to journal on, honestly. And I could just clip it in. What do I do with my little paper? Yeah. Is it a front loading or top loading? Yeah. It is. I could. Since that's the front, yeah, we'll put that at the top. Because I've only got 3 of these. That's fine. That holds that in place. Let's go to the middle signature. Maybe closer to the front here. We can put that. I want that one. No, maybe this one. In the middle. Yeah, okay. And then this one we can put on the end. Maybe on the braille paper because that's a little bit thicker. Oh yeah, that's nice. All right. I still have probably some other stuff to make to put in these. I haven't done that yet because I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I've got tags and journaling cards here also that I can decorate up a little bit more and use. Okay, that's the first, and I've got one in the first signature already, so I only have 2 of those. So I'll put that one in the third signature and maybe put this one in here because that's upside down. We'll put it up here. As like a tuck spot up top. Have it poking out maybe? Yeah. Simply because I only had 2 of those and I only have 1 of these, so makes sense to me to do it that way. Oh, make sure I get this on there the right way. Did I get that crooked? Kind of. Oh well. It's in there now. It'll be alright. Now third signature. Maybe we can put it on this side. I kind of like it right there because of the colors. So my daughter wants me to do a Odysseus journal. And she gave me an old book that has like a ship on there that reminds her of Odysseus' ship. It's gold. The cover is like blue and gold, I think. And then she gave me an Odysseus book for me to use. But I'll have to go through and see what all I may have that would work for a journal. Oh, that's not going to fit. Do I have a thin tag here? Yeah. There. I may just leave that one plain so that that's the like main focal point. Okay, let's go back over here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So maybe here. And I can don't want to glue this on as a pocket on one side. I don't really want to cover the butterfly though. Nope. Okay, here's a butterfly. And a butterfly on that side. So I'm going to put it in the middle maybe. Okay. I think we're going to do a top loading pocket on this side. Okay. And I think we'll just go ahead and do a top loading on that side as well. May just make it a little easier to get stuff in and out. Okay. Okay, that's the first signature, okay. Second. Okay. Do we want to do maybe this one as well? Okay. Maybe a side loading on that one. Probably won't be able to put too much on the side of there, but that's okay. Could always just put like a folded note paper to write on. There. on that side. Okay, now 1, 2. I don't want to put that on the vellum, so I think I'm just going to clip this one in. What color do we want? I got a blue metallic one. I've got a purple metallic one. Why not? We'll just use the purple one, I guess. Alright. Okay, blue text. Now I've got these notebooks that I need to put in here somewhere. And I do have these pockets and these envelopes. Okay. So, let's take some. Alright. You only got 2 of those. And that was one of those. Okay. So maybe no, I don't like that there. But it takes up more room. So I'm just gonna glue it down in the back, all over the back. Oh yeah, I don't even know if I got anything that would go with an Odysseus journal or not, but it's a challenge, so I'm gonna do it. I'll probably do it on camera because I don't think I've ever seen anybody do one before, so it might be interesting. Who knows? Okay, I think I want to put one of my notebooks in here. Maybe the skinny one. There's also a journaling card in there, but I have no idea what I did with my book weight thing. Okay, there's that. Pocket. Okay. Okay, U-shape. And I don't think any of those will fit, but that would fit. Nope. Get in there. Okay. Apparently that does not want to stay on Braille paper, so we'll just put it on the other side. Okay. It's fine. I'll just add some coloring. Kind of grunts it up a bit. There we go. There we go. And I'll put wings in there. I'll probably fill it up with other things too, but you know, for now. Alright, I do want maybe what's another. I could glue that down. Yep, I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Just use it as a little flip up tuck spot. Okay, I do need to put a notebook in here. And I said, did I put one in here? I did not. I don't think that'll fit. Nope. Okay. Although that would have been cute to do so. Okay. Alright, now I've got a big tag. Will it go in here? It will. Have that poking out the top. Okay. That's on the side. I don't think that will fit. It actually does fit. Okay. And I got a ripped spot on that one too. I'll have to fix, but not right now. I've got another tag that I need to put in. I could technically use that as a tuck spot too. That adds some color to that page. Now, do I want a stencil background? Okay, maybe. Yeah, maybe those up there. I'm using walnut stain because it happens to be what is out on my desk. yeah, just for some contrast there. And we will let this hang off the bottom a little bit. Kind of peek out there. Okay, and I've got this journaling card that I can put in here. But, you know, maybe after I decorate it some. Cause that, Okay, there we go. I can just set it in there and then I can decorate it up as I go. Alright, so that is it for there, but I've got to make some more pockets and whatnot, so I'm just going to close it up for now. And then when we come back, we will make some more pockets and things so that we can get her finished and then, you know, go from there. I got to clean off a couple of stencils here. Alright, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys back here again really soon. Bye!